Well, I'm not giving up. I just try again because I ran out of time last time. Before nothing really happened. I'm supposed to add quests into Nebula Shaman and still make it work. It should be possible, but Nebula Shaman is just such a heavy combo deck that the only thing you can do is maybe flood the board and wish upon a star to finish the game. Mostly you are actually running two off-powered sanctuaries just to summon a bunch of stupid shutter block combos. It's really not stupid. Because Blizzard doesn't want to nerf anything, you get the same combos persist for a very long time. Shutter block is just always a good card to make decks with that break the game eventually. Not early game though. Early game you have to be more careful. I still don't understand the bellhop idea. You do play decor for that shit, but then decor gets consumed by Hagatha. So, what's the big deal? Can we just do something else than play a fucking shitty minion? That's my question right now. If I find an answer to that, we're good to go for another round. I like this, by the way. Almost more than discounts, but nah, not this time. I don't think we can afford significant changes. This guy does a lot of work. I want to know what his tribe is. Elefante tribe? Like, what is that? That's what I would do. I would serve some drinks. Also, I could use 2 flames instead of 1. But at the same time, why use flames at all? I'll just use double keychain. Probably I don't even want astrobiologist anymore. I just want tempo. As much tempo as I can get. While still playing tribal garbage. If we wanted to run double Barret Sanctuary, it does make sense to do a Housekeeper. Or in the end, just slam that Doomsayer, survive for longer, and we're fine. It's not even a undead though, it's nothing. There must be something. The other simple strategy is to just give in to the mountain map. I would rather do Blazing Invocation, if anything. Maybe get rid of the core entirely, because it just gets in my way. I don't like the card. We want to wish upon a star most of the time. If you look at the win rates, the story is very much the same. Like, Frosted Decor does not actually carry the deck. It brings the deck down. Barret Sanctuary is also bringing the deck down. So maybe having 2 copies makes no fucking sense. Damn. I love how cheap it can get. Now that's a goddamn location if you ask me. This can help versus some tempo stuff, but not much. I think this guy could be good in the deck, like Shutter Block would work. Play Elemental. I don't have that. I can't play Elemental. Just have Turbulence. Why it's not committing on Razzle Dazzle? What happened? Arcane Fire. There's like 3 spell schools. Not that crazy. It's funny how there's no reason not to play this. It's just a simple cycle that can give me a better hero power. I genuinely think that this goes in the deck. And then I just forget everything else. Alright. Let's continue where we left off. Maybe something will flip somehow. Maybe Nebula Shaman getting obliterated by aggro decks. While enhanced version survives against aggro decks. All I have to do is obviously using my deck building skills build a better deck than already exists. There's nothing to play in my hands. You gotta be shitting me, bro. Nebula Shaman, get out of here. Just that alone should remove a point. Now I'll just suffer. Oh, cute.
Double. Boys in trouble.
How's this aggro skipping turn 1? I'm kinda doing nothing until turn 5. Ow. Okay, I could have done this. Might regret it later. Where's the Borkler when you need it? It's like self-defense, that's about it. It's not bad. 3/4 for 0 mana. I should just trade. Base is the place. I like the idea of losing right now. That's cool. I don't like the idea of winning, however. That is not very cool. So you better do the thingy. And abuse when I'm already abused by the card draw alone. Come on, you can do better than that. I will just regain armor, dude. If you win, think about the children. Alright, looks promising. Maybe you can deal 1 damage to me. Ouch. Can you go through taunt, though? I hope you can get through taunt, please. Don't be a pussy. And get through taunts when you are asked to get through taunts. Kill that insect. Alright, now what? There you go. Still damaged himself significantly. Just 1 more damage, dude. There we go. That's what happens to a shitty deck. The deck loses. So I get a chance to come back. See, doesn't it feel better to play shit like this? You can even heal when you want to. No, they are all retards. Every single quest warlock is a fucking retard. That's what I pride myself off. Did that just happen? Being a retard is a proudful thing, bro.
The menagerie is for guests only.
Fucking cancer, dude. It's pointless trying to play against quest warlocks. It's just pointless. Bro's gonna sit there on a fucking toilet 5 hours every turn. Here we go. Better turn 2. just placing a shitty totem on the board.
There's nothing to my blade.
Take these cards. Really? It doesn't work anymore. What happened? I removed 5 drops? Come on. Now it's I have to go back and fix that shit. That's kind of cool. Come on, just lose 1 HP for spending 2 mana, of course. I guess I didn't upgrade my hero power. I made it just stupider. Jesus Christ. Wow, and he allows me to reverse my mistakes. How easy was that? I don't like stupid people, bro. I am one off. Just need to find a unique class. Or tribe, rather. Maybe I just draw his card. Go from there. What is this bullshit, man? That's such a play card win game, dude. Does it die in the end? Does it go back in the deck?
For Doomhammer.
I didn't even want it to fucking comprehend how my minion just dies from poisonous, even though I got lucky in the first place. Yeah, I got a chance and I blew it. I think I got 1 point and that's it. That's a copy, though. Getting charged on a copy? It's still not better than a fucking 7/7. There's nothing better than that. I'm not destroying any locations. Maybe turn 4 destruction, but no. Maybe I need a rematch because fucking Elise would have stopped some of that stuff. That's cool. That was cool. We're getting in there. You can't clear it just yet. Really? Alright, we're getting in there, guys. The shitty version. I need to complete my quest faster, and I need to activate Elise. None of these things make any sense. I don't think Elise is that important at this point. If we're doing the combos, then fuck Elise, dude. He was winning some games. Oh, absolutely. Get burns. And boom. I won't get burnt ever. That's pretty good, but nothing special. Play card, what else are you gonna do? Boy. Yeah, instead of just nerfing cards, Blizzard is like, nah, we're just gonna make more cards. Yeah. Sounds good. Again, I call it the burning building strategy. We're gonna burn it to the ground and rebuild it new again. Cause you're gonna buy it. Nah, 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 nah. When the game would function so much better if it was stale, just received a few cards every now and then. Like, Not even mini set, like 2 mini sets a year. But it would receive constant nerfs. And it would still be so much better than whatever the fuck we have here. We don't have anything, to be honest. We just don't have it. It's game over now. I just don't see how he wins from here. It's kinda sad. Alright, wasted a bunch of stuff. That's so fucking pathetic. Without a board player, this guy is just a fucking loser. Everything is credited to that board player. It's 100% blue. Yep. It was actually 25% lethal, but it worked. Which kind of sucks, because that's a strike. Yeah, I reached legend and now I just get to suffer in public. That's just what it is. Just play the most generic card, like. Why would I bother with anything else? Curator is good, though. He's good. Can't underestimate card draw at this point. Maybe double Parrot Sanctuary. Not crazy. Just because tempo. Okay, definitely don't hold it an opening hand though. So for some reason. Well, if you have a 2-drop, I guess. Still an opening hand thing that you can use, but it's so annoying when it doesn't work. And spending 2 mana on something that doesn't work early is such a joke. I had a choice which one to play first. Oh, baby. Doesn't really matter. No, it does matter. Just that one. That one made sense to play first.
It's kind of shitty, but bless me when I'm gone. You can try, but I have seen her say what you want, but you ain't even gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. 'Cause boy, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Miss me when I'm gone. When I'm gone. 'Cause boy, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I hope you come home. I know you're gonna miss me when.
Well, the battle begin. That's not exactly a good one.
Keep it together. Keep it together.
Obey my command! Legs
That's it? You give up, buddy? That's it? Alright, fixed it. Normally I would just be like, we're not there yet, dude. Gonna whoop my ass. One more game I get. Alright, because I rebuilt this, at least was trash. Alright, Shadow Walk, this looks good. Just keep replaying the same song, because I have nothing better to do right now. Imagine being a degenerate that makes a good song, but then just does covers. And that's it. and uploads the good song on a different channel. Alright. It worked though. That worked. Discovered. But there's nothing to discover, so it worked for 2 minutes. Space shit. You're not liking the coward inside. That's so annoying as well. He's definitely gonna keep it alive then. I might just discover a bunch of 2-drops, activate the quest, and history will be made. Yeah, he wants to make copies of ass, and I have nothing better to do than just discover bunch of cool stuff. Wow. Undead. Where are we? We're close. Copy, copy. I have something I want to grab. I forgot one thing, guys. Bitch. What's that? You don't even get to see it. How crazy it is. Everything I summon is called lethal. Oh, for fuck's sake. Man, all he's doing is just doing that shit. So lame. Come on, what the fuck is this? Fuck is this, bro? Batter? Don't have many minions though. That's not a tribe. So annoying. It's whatever. It's giant. It's really disgusting. It's just the matchup. Go face. As long as he's gonna have a lot of shit on the board, he can't go full speed. For fuck's sake, what is this? For fuck's sake. All he's doing is clearing the board a bunch of times, bro. And playing this bullshit. It's so fucking pathetic. Well, at least this guy survived. Shut the fuck up, YouTube! Oh wow, that's all it takes! What a fucking garbage. I thought you activate and give me trouble. Damn, everything sounds so stupid with my headphones. No! No! Oh my god! Don't glitch! Don't glitch like that! You fucking cancer! Rotting game, like just, you can't. Are you straight or you gay? I try to be straight. I try, man. I try, boy. Don't glitch. I try make deck. You don't understand. And I need to catch up with the functional version. Protoss mage, guys.
Monsters hang when I see your
Got this fucking answering machine, so I can style for one more minute. Don't you see? I really need wondering who did it while I'm staring at it back. And now you gone like that. A blank.
I see your monsters. I seen. Tell me.
Yeah, technically there's not a lot of time to complete the quest. You just saw some crazy stuff go on. But I can still squeeze in the quest whenever. Negated. Yeah, I think I can beat Protoss Mage with both decks. Yeah, all I'm doing is just getting that quest rewards mixed in. So, okay, that doesn't work. I need Naga, maybe? Naga works.
A mesmerizing melody.
This doesn't work. Go play it. Just doesn't work. Free drinks. We get as much attack as possible and then we just obliterate.
I found a spear check.
Simple as that. I can activate now. It's gonna make it easier. Overjoy. Another set of magma. It's useless. Oh, it's so annoying.
My hand is too full.
My eyes of flame, my cursed name.
Any amount of attack I can get, just plug that in. See if I can just beat this guy off with one minion. One piece of pressure. That's annoying. Probably heal first. Attack! Attack! Wind Fury is cool. But I need attack. Stealth, why not? Death Runner, why not? Oh baby, a triple. Alright, now you have a problem. Better solve that problem. Buddy that likes to sit and do nothing. Oh my god, your hand does not do anything, doesn't it? When in doubt, just grab more Armore. You're gonna freeze my minion anyways. Bullshit. Wow, you might actually kill that. Oh, for fuck's sake. Such cringe, bro. Such fucking cringe that cannot get patched. Imagine. The inability to patch.
Welcome to the crew.
A simple little cringe. But no, that's part of game. It's normal. Everything you see here is normal, guys. Neither Shadow Block combo is normal. with anything, nor mage stalling for 20 fucking turns is normal. More armor! Call the blizzards! La blizzard and la activate. I need something spiciness. I'll take spicy. Spicy food. Destroy minion, gain stats. That's pretty spicy, actually. Play fire spell, gets stats. That's gonna work. That's incredible. Alright, buddy. Continue. Please continue. He's gonna clear the entire board and smash face. How cool is that gonna be? Fucking normal game is. Oh wow. Oh wow. He needed just a little bit more armor in there. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, I prepared a spicy meatball. Scale to infinity. Plus HP, buddy. We're not done yet here. We're not done. Cast all your freeze. I might still have a chance to attack, guys. It's crazy, I know. Oh, wow, we found another blizzard! How fun is that, guys? He's so smart. He's so smart, bro. You gotta be shitting me, man. Bullshit like that, bro. Holy crap. Just stall the game for infinity. Okay, you went so off the cliff that just you have to delete the entire class. Mage is so dumb. Just delete the entire class at this point. If you're so fucking terrified of typing in words on the screen, like crazy, I understand. Scariest thing. Never been done before. So fucking stupid. If he doesn't return it, I can sort of heal, but I don't have the Ultra Giga heal. So, I guess we lose now. That's lifesteal after that. He gets to have 70 points of HP, let me do nothing, and still wins the game. With ease. Make it make sense. Oh shit, I could have done that. Could have done that, guys. No, I'm still within range.
Oh, enchanting.
Wow, I play card! I play card! Oh, you gonna just sit there and fucking enjoy playing card? How retarded! Actual fucking word. It's so fucking degenerate. I'm just, now I'm scared to even fucking friend this piece of shit. Because I know this guy's just abusing the fucking game. What a fucking cancer. It's not even the... Kibler didn't even fucking scream into the fucking microphone when he was told to fucking scream into the microphone because of torture. People are literally being tortured here. Fucking crazy, dude. That shit like this exists. Just because of the chance that it's a Protoss mage, I have to fucking concede. Do you understand how stupid this is? And guess who's the problem? Blizzard, 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 Blizzard! Fuck!